Hey guys, Phil Print's back here again. Got a little Spearow this time. Turned out really well. I decided I would print it on a little platform. It turned out really well. Wings are super thin, so the supports were very hard to get off, but came out really well. I'm going to think I'm going to do a few different style videos. I actually got a K9 given to me, or X1 actually I think it is, which I think I'm going to put Marlin 2 on, build a custom firmware and change out the motors on, because I think the original ones are screwed. So I got it for free, so I'll give it a go. Enjoy the time lapse and see you soon. Thanks, bye.